front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. First of all, you need to tap on Devices Settings and scroll down right away. Then click on Emergency SOS. Now scroll all the way down. Tap on Edit Emergency Contacts in Health and click on Edit at the top right corner. Finally, you can scroll down and to add a contact, tap on Add Emergency Contact over here. Then click on the one that you wish to set up and pick the best option for you. In my case, spouse. As you can see, after that, my contact was successfully added. To remove the one that you don't need, click on this little red dot next to it and hit Delete on the right. Finally, to save all of your changes, tap on Done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!